So we should be alive as far as I can see.
Yes, Alex, we are live, and I want to see our profit loss histogram today. This is first day, the long losing streak, when I want to look at this. And today we will see something really interesting.
Yes.
Please share the screen. I want to look how Black Swan is looking in this chat.
uh, so chart has become uninformative, absolutely uninformative. So do you remember yesterday we had like minus 80 or so
Uh-huh.
dollars. Now we have almost 400. So this is yeah, so this is like plus $400 dollars. And
Mm.
PNL chart seems like uninformative.
So it is amazing, yes. So one green bar, and I think it will be really difficult now to make one more losing bar or winning bar, which will make more than this.
Yeah.
So it's one day, 400, yes, 460, I think, about like this.
So you gave me one another that UI task to show that plot because now it's like all other bars are almost zero, right? Because of
Yes,
that bar.
it looks like we didn't trade all previous
Yeah.
times. So, like all these videos, all this
Mhm.
trading was just for this only trade.
Mhm.
And but
So I
this is really nice demonstration of how Black Swan strategy is working. So this trade gave us we can not trading, so it's plus about 40% to the whole amount of money.
Mhm.
And for many people, 40% in a year is a really good return.
Mhm.
So now we can just put money in staking and have 3 to 5 additional percent and make a good year. And look how equity chat also looks. So can you scroll down? Yeah.
And informative as well. So what I was trying to tell is that probably we need to have another feature to have like that dashed part. So the previous bars would be at maximum this level, then dash bar, and then the rest of it. So
Mhm.
because now it's like I don't see any useful information from that chart, from that chart,
And
as
even
well as
equity chat also looks
yes,
very strange.
as well as the
So
yes.
but it is really the idea so that like I told already that 1 million of white swans don't prove that there is no black swan,
Mm-hmm.
and that one black swan is totally changing the whole situation. So it was like we were losers for what is this period? So
I don't know. Probably
from from
one,
12
two.
May to 20 August and one day, and this all is forgotten.
Mm-hmm.
As I told you before, that it's like there can be darkness in the room for 10,000 years, and one switching of the light, and all this strong darkness
Mm-hmm.
is
Yeah,
gone. Yeah.
yeah. So I see the lesson from those recent days is that like catching that storms like black swans is mostly about self-discipline and patience, right?
Yes.
And
And
risk
today,
management
when
as
I
a part.
was on
Mm-hmm.
CoinFest conference, uh, one of people which I was speaking with, uh, we came to idea that intellect is not so important in trading. So many people who are really clever, really smart, they come to trading, and they think
Mm-hmm.
that their brains will help them to earn money. But
Mm-hmm.
really, our main features which helped us to earn this time was patience and self-discipline. And yes, for sure, it was also some intellect. We used my experience and my brains, but without patience and self-discipline, it's almost impossible. Most people will stop doing this strategy after 20, 25 losing trades. They just will not continue. But this is life changer. So, for example, if it is $100,000 amount, then it's just 40,000 for one day. And we also didn't take the most we can. So options yesterday, daily options yesterday, the cost of them was 0.4 dollars and 40 cents. It was 40 cents and 40 cents, 0.4. They became in one day
So take profit was about 300, yes.
350, I think. So you can just count what is the amount
almost
of
900.
X.
Yes.
Yes.
Almost 9.
So, and this only day is enough to have bullets for next 3 years. And these events, they happen not once in a year. They usually at least, maybe such a strong event is once in a year. But almost like this, but with less X, they are happening about 3 to 8 times in a year. So, really, I can give an advice after such trade, not to trade for 3 to 5 days, just to have some rest. I mean, this advice not for our trading, but for most people. Because usually inexperienced traders, after a big profit, they think that now they have winning streak and try to earn more and more. And my experience shows that when I did like this in previous, maybe in my first 12 or 14 years of experience, usually I was giving back to market about from 30 to 40% of whole profit. And that is why it's better to reduce risk after strong profits. And in psychology, they say that big profit is also like psychological shock for a person as big loss. Okay, it's interesting. I think that later maybe we will make evergreen video in which we will make detailed overview of this trade, how we did this, how it happened, how market moved, and I think it will be interesting because each black swan is unique. So they are all similar, but how they happen, it's always unique experience. Okay, let's continue. Let's check trading view chart because it's also interesting to see how it happened. So you can see it was a day for 17%, 17% in a day. And can you open please daily chart? So just to compare this day to all other days. So you can see it's really interesting. So if you will try to find like this green day, can you check what is the percent amount here? Yes,
here?
there. Yeah. So
14.
this is not red candlestick next to it green.
Well,
So
13%.
it's 13%. So it's the closest growing day to this. But today maximum was, I think, about 20% if we take not the close but highest point. So highest point is 2330, and open was 1970. Yeah, let me check. So what is the amount?
17 race.
Yes, it's more than 20%. So in a day. But main idea is to believe that after this you will see a day like this. So usually, you know what I'm doing? I'm making replay. So here is replay. So I'm making replay, and I'm making here not select bar, but can you show me what is the options? Yes. Make this arrow. Yes.
That one. Okay.
So bar date first available. Yes, try make it a bar. First one, yes. And cut it somewhere like here. And please open 4 hours scale. Can you also switch off option sessions for, yes, like this. And now slowly, step by step, also zoom out, please, to see bigger perspective. I think you can zoom out even more, yeah, like this. And now begin to, yes, begin to click step by step for new bars appear. You can make it a little bit faster.
They're so small, I don't even see them.
Yes, you can click fast till 19 August.
Boom.
No,
Oh,
it's
big
just
one.
July. Till 19
another big.
August. 19 August. So it's still a lot.
No, wait. Let us select date then. August 19, like 18.
18 August, yeah. Yes. And so look at this chat. Please don't push the button fast. And no, zoom out. In this perspective, it looks like it's too big. Yes, and zoom out. And you can see that even from our point, when we use this scale 15% up and 15% down, now slowly click next bar till 20th of August. I think you can do a little bit faster. I think it's about 16 clicks. Yes, stop.
Boom.
Yes, and you can see that this bar was really almost impossible to predict, because it's like all this time you saw a really slow movement. And you know that in this day it was liquidation for 1.4 billion dollars. Billion. And it's, you know, you remember I told you that in 2025, it was a day when it was liquidation of long position. And today it was almost the opposite, but for short positions. So all bears were just like, you know, burnt in a hellfire. And wait, please push 2 or 3 times more this button. Yes.
Oh my. One more.
So you can see you can see that even the screen was not enough to see how far this bar went, and also two more times. Again.
So everybody who thought that was the end and they survived it, they've got another bar.
Yes. Yes, so you can see the highest point was 2,330. So usually this movement, people are thinking that this movement can take at least 2 or 3 weeks, and this is happening in one day. Okay, now it's interesting. Do you have Velo today?
I don't think so. We might try. No,
I just
something's
to
loading.
check option prices because they are really different from what was just.
And still volatility is not and its maximum because of the lag, right?
No, it's because usually volatility takes more time to grow because people are thinking that it's maybe one day black swan event, and it isn't proof that volatility will be the same for next 2 or 3 weeks. Many people I don't remember. Maybe I told you that the volatility is late after real volatility. Implied volatility is usually late after historical volatility. What I mean, that when volatility is low, usually market is overpricing options. So their cost is higher than real volatility. And when volatility explodes, like yesterday, usually real price is also late. So what it means? It means that I think we can open again, but not such a big position for weekly options. We can check how much is to buy weekly options for next Friday. And if the price is not really big, I think that we can invest some of profit. So, and you can also see here. And you remember yesterday I was telling that market can go to 1,300 and it made it just one day. I was thinking that it's a good idea to see in the end of August if the market will be at 2,300. And I also didn't predict that it will happen just tomorrow. Okay, let's go to position builder and let's check option prices for tomorrow maybe, and also maybe for 1 week. At first, let's check what is the price for tomorrow. So let's look at 2,300 options. So you can see, you can see now is really interesting price. So it is $20 for option call. And if we take closest option put is almost the same, about $20 for option put. And can you please, let's check the range of this triangle if we will sell it. So please open 18, open this short position -1, and open this also short position -1.
130, 2,300.
Yes, one. So, and let's check. So you can see after such a big candlestick, this range looks really not so big. Because if it will be drawback, so it can go here. And if the market will decide to to continue crush bears in this movement, then I think it can easily go like this. And interesting. Let's think what we can do. Usually, after such a strong movement, a lot of people are thinking that market will go back. So they are trying to short strong green candlestick.
Also, right.
Yes. So we can try to maybe what we can do. Wait. So I think we can try to open short position and try to sell, for example, I think, Alex, I think Alex internet something happened. So let's open the chart and let's check what is happening. So look, we can see that market is growing, and I think really a lot of people, they are thinking that it's good idea to short this market for catching some backwards movement like this. But really, I think that it's not a good idea. So I think that first what we can do is to sell. Oh, Alex, you are back, yes?
Yeah.
So can you please share position builder again?
Something's happening with the internet. Yeah, so we stopped on the last thing I heard is that most people think it will go back for some reason.
So what I think what we can do, really the option prices are not so high to sell options, but not so cheap to buy daily options. Let's check weekly options, for example, on 28th of August.
August 28th.
Yes, please change the expiry. Yeah. So, and let's check what are the prices. For example, 220, it's $34. And
120. There is no 220. 1,000.
no, 2,200, I mean, sorry.
Yeah,
So
$30.
it's $33.
Still quite
And
cheap, right?
yes. So it doesn't look like a lot. And also, what about call options? Please show me, for example, 2,400.
Same $40.
So this is more expensive because after such a strong movement, people are afraid that it can continue growing. Okay, let's think what we can do. Let's think what we can do. You know, I think that we can try to make a prediction that after, usually when it is strong movement upside, usually there are two possible scenarios. So first is that market is continuous strong growth.
Mhm.
Another is that it makes small drawback. Usually it's really rare situation that market is doing like this, strong up and then the same strong down.
Mhm.
So my idea is just try to sell 220 to 2200
Mhm.
option put.
Already. Oh, wait, I bought it. Okay.
Yes, you bought it.
Set.
2200 option put.
Mhm.
0.5. Let it be 0.5. I don't want to have strong risk, as I already told after a good trade. 0.5.
Mhm.
And hedge it with, for example, and we can make an interesting trade. What I mean? Usually, when volatility is up, for example, if we will hedge it with daily option, what I mean that we can buy, for example, 2150 option put for tomorrow. If market will stand on one side, then this option will go down because volatility will fall.
Mhm.
If the market will go strong downside, then we will have a hedge for 1 day. But in that case, we will need, if it will expire tomorrow, we will need to buy another daily option, tomorrow daily option. Understand?
No, so including Saturday.
Yes, yes. So, and
Or probably we could.
another idea is we are selling for 33.
Mhm.
And if we buy, for example, 2100 for 12.9, then we can earn about $10. Yeah.
Mhm.
And $10 from 1000 is 1% in a week. I think it can be a good trade. So please add plus 0.5 option 2100.
Wait.
2100 option put 0.5. So it's hedging option for our selling position.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes. Let's check the chart.
Minus 40. And
So
plus
yes,
10.
I think that this is a good position because it's not really risky if we compare it with profit for yesterday. And this is good because I think that market either will go sideways like this or it will continue growing. So I don't think that they will make 1 day movement back. And if they will do this, we have hedge on 2100.
Okay. Weekly, you mean?
Weekly,
1001.
yes, weekly.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So let's do this.
What's the current price of 1950 call, August 21st?
I think that it is about 350.
50. Option call buy. Yes, 350. What do you think of selling that, closing this position? Like
I think it is
taking the
good
profit?
idea. I think it is good idea. So we can cancel all these orders because we can, for example, leave these orders for put options, but I don't know what must happen for market
Minus
going back lower than
like
1800.
30%. 80,
Yes, yes.
30%.
Yes, I think this is good idea. Let's close our last part, 0.5 option call. And let's, can you show me again what is the current price of Ethereum? So it's 2,296. So the price is 346. 346 you can put the price, and I think it will be closed.
Don't you think we should start recording our short video buying position?
Yes, sure. Let's do this. Wait. So, so Alex, after our amazing trade, more than 1000%, which we made yesterday, I think we can make the trade, which is according to normal forecast after such a strong growth. So usually after strong growth, market is not moving strong back. Usually if it even goes back, then it is not so strong. So I think that it can go like this. Or second scenario, it can continue grow because after such a long consolidation, I think it's really possible. So let's open this credit spread, bearish credit spread, and we will earn money if the market will be till next Friday. Can you please return to profit loss chart? If our market will be higher than 2,180 till next Friday, we will earn money. If the market will go down till 2,100, then here we will have a loss. So I think we can do this position, and the risk is much lower than our previous profit. So I think we can do this. And also we have still 0.5 Ethereum options call. And my idea is to sell them at current price.
Okay.
So let's do this. Oh, yes.
Should I cancel that one?
Yes, you can cancel this because it shouldn't execute. And we will sell now it in the market. So please show me again. We have Ethereum 2,296 and put 346. We can sell 346. 0.5. Mm-hmm. Yes, correct. Let's do it. Let's finish our best winning trade for all our videos. And let's check positions. Now this position should disappear. Wait.
Okay, gone.
So there is no any positions now, yes? Yeah.
Of 1950 call, there is
yes,
not the
sure, I see.
But
And now let's open position for next week, for next Friday. At first, let's sell 2,200 option put. No, let's begin from buying. Let's begin from buying because I already told before that when you open complicated position in which we have sold options and long options, we need to begin from long options.
2100 option put buy at the market price, which is 13 now. Again, check please.
Nice.
And 2200 option put, sell it, half a contract at the market price. Again, just check.
Wait. Sell,
No,
not buy.
Yeah, something. No, wait. Yes, sell. Sell. Market price. Okay.
Yes. So now we have this credit spread position, and hope that till next Friday, Ethereum will not be lower than 2,200. And tomorrow we will also check this position, and maybe if something will happen, we'll try to do something with this. Okay, Alex. Again, I want to celebrate our winning trade, the best from the beginning of our YouTube streaming. And I think that later we will make a video with detailed overview of this trade. And if you want to see this video, you can subscribe to our channel. Okay, Alex, we are again option profits, not anymore option waiters or option patients. And so see you tomorrow. Thank you for today's video, and thank you for all this patience you showed during our previous streaming.
You're welcome, Roma. Thanks, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.